Alright, here is my truck. 2007 5.9 Cummins. Compound turbocharged. She's a beauty. Don't particularly like my wheels. It's about time for some new ones. Let's pop the hood and give you a look under there. Compound turbos, 62, 6512 under a S475. Got, it's industrials, 85 over CP3, head studs, 32 liter per minute injectors, there's the big turbo. It's 74 millimeter, I believe. Let's go for a ride. Put the head strap on real quick. Alright. Hopefully this is a reasonable view. Already making 5 pounds of boost. Very efficient turbocharger setup. Love it. I think my last video had high EGTs. Wait till you see these ones. See, road looks nice and clear. We might get on it a little bit here. See if we can get any traction. Second, third. To about 75 right there. Hopefully everybody can see my gauges, so I don't have to redo this video. We'll see. Let's go. I'm gonna head over to Bangor Highway. See if we can get a little bit higher of a gear. Out. I'll probably fast forward through this in my YouTube video. I don't know, we'll see. Some people enjoy the drive. Got a Pioneer not old school, but pretty old touchscreen DVD player. It's alright. Usually have a MTX 9500 sitting on the back seat, but haven't put that back in since I went and raced. Not too far from Bangor now. It's 31 degrees outside. Got a GoPro this time so I can drive two-handed. Make shifting a little faster. Alright, we're coming up on Bangor. These cement highway usually have hard time getting traction. I'm not going to put it in fourth gear, or four-wheel drive I mean. Just going to get on it. Hopefully there's no cops back there. No traction. All the way to fifth gear. Oh, and if you're wondering, my check engine light's on because I have a bad wastegate fooler. And my ABS light is on because I have a bad wheel speed sensor. Alright, well, there you go. You got a nice ride along in my truck. Next time I'll put it in four-wheel drive and see what it's like with a little more traction. Actually, I might turn down the road and give you 2 gears and four-wheel drive just to show you that that I'm really losing traction and not just losing clutch. Christmas Day. Just anybody cares. Merry Christmas to everybody. I know I don't have a lot of followers on YouTube, but you know, hopefully you guys enjoy my videos. Alright, here comes that corner. I'm gonna come down this street again and get on it a little bit. Four-wheel drive, show you that there's a little bit of difference with some little bit of traction. Alright, let's see. Doesn't look like I got any traffic. Put it in four-wheel drive. There you go, 80 miles an hour, 35 in a matter of seconds. Alright, I'm not going to go all the way around the loop again. I'm just going to turn around. Just wanted to show you a full drive burn real quick. Alright, let's get back to the house. Post this on YouTube. I'm out of fuel or something. Air bubble into the fuel. Probably shouldn't be rallying it with this low of fuel in the tank, but you know, shit happens. Okay, there you go. See? Nice ride along in a probably 800 horse to the wheels truck. I dynoed at 768, but that was on an unloaded dyno, and I only made 48 pounds of boost, and I can hit near 70 on the street, so should be well over 800 on a loaded dyno. And we're back. So there you go, guys. That is drive along in my Cummins. Thanks for going for the ride.